Okay, dude. Okay, guys, let's see here. Links is gonna be in the description below. This is how to download games and apps from appvalley without downloading its application. Okay, we have to go. You have to first of all you have to go to the website itself. Links, of course, will be in the description below. Okay, here's the website. Or if you don't want to browse in the description below, you can just type in appvalley like this, and then space. You go, of course, to Google and then press right here. See this apps? It says apps right here. Open it. But you don't have to keep pressing it. I just wanted to do that, show you where it is. Okay, you have to press on apps first of all, and then here's the website. Well, I already downloaded something from it. Like here you have featured and today things they just got into the game, into the thing website. They have games, tweaked. They have even coin hacks and stuff like that. Apps, updates. Like if you install something from them and you want to update it, they have it right here. You can just update it from here. And there's a search one. Let's search Crunchyroll. Oh, here they have Crunchyroll ++. Okay, all you have to do is just press get again, and it will load. Wait for it and install. Well, I already installed it, so I have it right here. Okay, now let's see. When you press on it, if this comes up, you should go press cancel. Go to settings, general. Go all the way down, device management, and trust again, and everything should be alright now. Okay, let's open it. Okay, no, I don't want notifications actually. And okay, here we're gonna skip and then just explore. And now now I have premium. Wait, don't I? This is what? Later. Okay, let's see new. What do you mean no results then? Hey, here, yeah. What? Well, sorry guys, I guess Crunchyroll doesn't work. But yeah, okay, you get what I say. You can install anything from it. Okay, so yeah, peace. Or maybe I should not say peace. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, guys.